Priority number one for renovating this building is going to be the bathroom. That is a 20-inch door. And here is our stylish black and white linoleum. The even more stylish and much debated burgundy toilet. I showed some images to some friends recently, and it appeared chocolate brown, but no, that's not even burgundy. It looks more like a squished blueberry or black, I don't know. It looks wild berry. We have a hole in the wall, no idea why. The light switch is this nice vintage chrome plate over here, so it's on the opposite side of the door. So that's useful, handy, totally inconvenient. Little sink, and of course the very nice single light bulb hanging from the ceiling. So this is priority number one, is getting this room renovated before we've got customers coming into too much, because that 20-inch door is woefully inadequate. Welcome back to I Had an Idea. As you may already know, my wife and I purchased a building. It's a commercial building, and this is the new headquarters for Jordan Valley Monuments. But before they move in, they said this bathroom in this building has got to be renovated. It's a 20-inch door. They don't like that. Oh, wait a minute. Let's just say they don't like anything in the bathroom. So I've got some hired help here today. We're going to dive right in with phase one of this building renovation, which is the bathroom. Stick with us. This is going to get interesting. Last resort, we'll just have to pull it off with the truck. Here's the tow strap. Yeah, that'll hold. It's not locked anymore. This molding here is only covering up the seam between painted paneling and drywall. That's on the inside of the bathroom. We're going to investigate that in a minute. Then in the lobby area, we have a layer of drywall and a layer of paneling. This piece of paneling, the seam, I saw it just a minute ago. The seam is right here in line with that outlet. 20-inch door, we need to come over 16 inches to make room for a 36-inch door. Flip some breakers maybe? So breaker 2 is off, it should be.
Yeah.
So go to the next one down. Keep going. Ha! Got it.
Okay.
This is where it usually goes sideways. Andrew cuts a live wire. Hey, good news. We got the vent fan out. The electrical turned back on. And look at what's up in the attic.